Hi students, welcome to the class. The last class we had discussed about what is making of magnet. Okay, so today we are going to discussing these methods. Yesterday we discussed one method. Which method we had discussed? Yes, that's right, single touch method. Did you understand the single touch method? Okay, so let's start the second method, that is divide touch method. What? Divide touch method. So see the figure, divide touch method. Yes, keep the bar which is to be magnetized on the top of two permanent magnet. So these also two permanent magnet. Okay, instead of this magnet, we can able to use the cork also, otherwise wooden piece also. Okay, and this is the word. Yes, this iron rod we have to word magnetize. Take the another two strong permanent magnets. So these are the two strong permanent magnets. Okay, and bring their opposite poles. So these are the bring opposite poles. So like that. So take two permanent magnet. Okay, so just think about this iron rod. We have to what magnetize. Okay, so just keep this iron rod on the top of the wooden rod. Otherwise, two permanent magnets. Okay, then after just take this permanent magnet, okay, opposite poles. Okay, bring it to opposite poles. This is the north pole. See, it is showing white color, no, white color dot, that is north pole, and this is as the this is north pole. So here I am taking that word opposite pole, that is south pole. Okay, so one earth, one is north pole and another one is south pole, and from middle, okay, from middle of the steel, sorry, iron rod, we have to start the rubbing from here. Okay, that's also same direction, that is also the same direction from like this. Okay, just rub it this at the same time. Okay, both we need to rub it same time. Okay, here I can't do it, so I'm showing only the ones. Okay, see, from the center we have to rub it same. Okay, like that, and at the end, when it comes to the end, just lift the magnet and comes to the starting position, and again this do it. Okay, repeat the process up to 40 or 50 times at the both side we have to do. Okay, so repeat the process several times. Okay, the rod will get magnetized such that the end where the south pole leads the rod becomes a north pole, and the end where the now north pole leaves the rod becomes south pole. Okay, the use of supporting magnets increasing the strength of magnetization. Now just take this and rod and take some pins and just touch that, it is attracting. Okay, so this iron rod get word magnetizing power. So this is the divide touch method. Is it clear? I will explain you once again. Keep the bar which is to be magnetized on the top of two permanent magnets. So these are the two permanent magnets. We can able to use the wooden rod or the permanent magnet also. Okay, otherwise cork also. So then take another two permanent magnets. So these are the two permanent magnets. Okay, and bring their opposite poles and touch them in the middle. Bring their opposite poles and touch them into the middle of the rod, and gently rub the two magnets on the rod, moving away from each other towards the end. When ends are reached, okay, when ends are reached, lift away the magnet and bring back them again at the starting position. Okay, okay, and repeat the process several times. Okay, yes, like this method we can able to make the iron rod as a magnet. That's also temporary magnet, not a permanent magnet. Okay, clear? Yes. So this is divide touch method. And next we are going to discussing the double touch method. What? Double touch method. This method is almost as similar in the divide touch method. Only one difference is here. the cork or wooden rod we kept in between the strong permanent magnets. See the figure. Here we are keeping the wooden rod or the wooden piece or cork in between the permanent magnet. Okay, this is only one difference between difference in the double touch method and the divide touch method. Okay. So here keep the bar magnet is to be magnetized on the top of two permanent magnets. Okay, two permanent magnets. The two permanent magnets separated by a piece of wooden block. Here it is using what is a piece of wooden block in between the permanent magnets. Okay, and held together such that their opposite poles are together. So see, these are opposite poles are together. Okay, this combination is placed on the rod at the center and then moved to and fro without lifting it. Okay, just move without lift it, just move it, just rub it like here and here. Okay, just move south to north and north to south, like north to center. The rod get magnetized such that the opposite poles that to the nearest rocking magnet is created on its ends. The use of supporting magnets increases the strength of magnetization. So this is the double touch method. I hope all of you understood this topic. Yes, thank you.